So hello everyone, I have come over after a long time with a new video that is mostly on 9 YouTube channels. Every dentist should do it, that is should follow for insights and trends. So you may hear this voice and find this background noise to be very irritating. Actually there is one construction work which is going around my home that is creating this sound. So, and I'm sitting in my balcony area to discuss about all these dental topics. So YouTube is one of the most popular sites among many demographics. It hosts a plethora of content on it from all imaginable industries. Plus all the content on YouTube is user generated. So the platform has over 2 billion users. People upload over 500 hours of content in over 80 languages per minute. So there are various kinds of YouTube channels a dentist should follow is American Dental Association. Just the way we have Indian Dental Association, so we also have American Dental Association. And the subscribers are 53,000, that is 5,30,000. Why American Dental Association can be followed? They promote public health through various publications, conventions, professionals and insurance guidelines. They also tell about patient clinical insights, patient resources, motivational videos, informational videos. Now next one is PM Oral Care, where the subscribers is 24,000, which is 2,40,000. They tell about the product testimonials and information to procedures and various techniques. Now we come to Dental Economics, again which has a followers of 2,3900, where they tell about the marketing tips, medical billing, controlling supply, exercise expenses, new product reviews, front office training and effective science and technology. Now Hygiene Edge. Again Hygiene Edge, I found this to be very good because they tell tutorials on alginate impressions, dental veneers, radiographs, tutorials on ultrasonics. Then there is Henry Scheme Dental, which is a distributor of many products, etc. So you can, from that you can study about the practice services, office design resources, CBCT imaging and some legal advices. Now teeth. Again from the Dr. Teeth Academy you can learn about the MBS exams, even though I tell about the NEET PG exams. So similarly Dr. Teeth Academy tells about the various exams, what are the tips to crack NEET PG MBS, implants, dental treatments. And sometimes I also feel that I should have a blog where what I'm doing from the morning till the end I should discuss. And there are recent very recent editions of Gorilla tripods, which you can hang it over anywhere and discuss about lot of things about your experiences, have your pictures, videos, because you don't want to trouble anybody else beside you, so you can have lot of pictures. All things dentistry, where they tell about the probes, sensors, hack dentistry, etc. Now there are various kinds of dentist YouTubers also who are very famous. Okay, so I wanted to tell about them also because actually they are global, and they have been speaking over the podcasts also, that is Spotify, where they tell about the hack dentistry, all things dentistry, the Dental Digest, Dental Town, American Dental Association, Henry Scheme Dental, and and if you ask who is the most famous dentist, he's known as the father of dentistry, Pierre Fauchard, who was a French surgeon considered to be the father of modern dentistry. There are also many other doctors who are prevalent. So best YouTube channels for dentists all over the world is Easy Dentistry by Dr. Hari Shankar. Dental Pathshala by Dr. Sangeeta is a very good channel. And even recently I have seen, not recently, I've been following Dr. Sai Kumar Navinpalli since long, and his videos and the way he explains everything, the content is very original. Even I learn a lot of things from Dr. Naveen's lectures, not only on YouTube but also on Facebook. A very real person, and the content is very authentic, so I really like that. Now another one is Teeth Talk Girl. Teeth Talk Girl is Whitney DeFogio, also known as Teeth Talk Girl, is a registered dental hygienist who tells about how you have to maintain the dental health, keeping in awareness. She is belonging to an acting background, but also gives guide over the importance of maintaining oral health, how oral health hygiene is very important, and what one can do to prevent any kind of dental caries, any kind of dental issues, and long-term problems. So you must be thinking sometimes I'm discussing about non-clinical dental resources and sometimes about the clinical field. It's because everything is joined, mixed with each other, and we have to discuss everything all along, not just one part of a field, because this is a beautiful field. That's why we have Dr. R. Ahmed, Dr. Pyre Kaushad, who have done significant contributions. So discussing their good things is better. Always looking for something negative is not a solution, but looking for something positive, advantageous will help us grow in life also and be more productive. So thank you everyone. I hope everyone will like my video, and if you want some discussion on any kind of any reports or any you want to ask which is the best YouTube channel in India, there are a lot of motivational channels. If you are feeling very depressed, you have Ashish Chinchani, Sandeep Maheshwari, Nisha Madhulika, Dr. Vivek Vindra, and also and mostly same Prajakta Kohli's videos are also very good. You can watch them as well. So thank you everyone, and I hope you'll enjoy this day, enjoy the video. Take care.